Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to send a photo as a document on WhatsApp. So first of all, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my mobile phone. Now I'll tap on this WhatsApp and now go to any message. For now, I'll go on this top one and over here to send a photo as a document. Over here on bottom, you'll find this link. Tap on this and now tap on this document. And after that, tap on this choose from gallery. And now from here, select the photo which you wanna send. For now, as a demo, I'll go with this first one. And now tap on this send. And after that, you can see this photo is sent as document on WhatsApp. So in this simple way, we can send any photo as a document on WhatsApp. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.